Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, please make sure you do us a favor by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, also make your comments. Definitely, we'd love to watch out for it. So, when we take a look at AUD USD for today, right, we'll be expecting some major news. Um, Let me quickly show you guys. That will be on CPI. I think that will be close to the New Year section, right? So we'll be expecting CPI month on month, CPI year on year, and core CPI. Basically, the news will actually move the market today, especially the USD pairs. The news will move it, and basically some other, will I say cross pairs. And you will see that during this news, you see this cross pairs. They tend to start moving like crazy, but our focus is on this USD pairs, which is AUD USD. So the news is expected to come out low. That is exactly what it is expected. If its case it comes out that way, if it comes out low, then of course we expect a bullish move on AUD to USD, because with that news we expect USD to actually fall. If USD fall, then that will give way for any other pairs to actually to our USD to go bullish. But before that, let's see if in the in the London section, AUD USD will literally drop to this 20 period simple moving average. So I'll be expecting to actually come to this 20 period simple moving average. Then probably, when it's during that news time, then we would know. We can't really tell what the news will. It is just what it is expecting, because the news can be released and it will be higher than probably if it is around 0 0.6, which is very, very high, right? Then that will make way for USD to go bullish, thereby AUD to USD will actually fall. But the news will actually move it. So what keep an eye on the news. If it comes out high, if it comes out low, sorry, then we can now look to take a buy on AUD USD. Now that is what we'll be expecting. If you are yet to follow us on Telegram, do that. The Telegram channel, the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. And if you are interested in high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. Now take a look at one of those trades we took yesterday. WTI crude oil, right, June 12th. It was an amazing trade. So we are looking at some couple of other trades. So you can trade with us for free for good 7 days. We are rolling out a 7 days free trial. So click on the link in the Patreon channel, trade with us for free within these 7 days.